Hey, welcome everybody. My name's Will. I'm going to show you guys, especially parents that have kids that may want to start doing some YouTubing and some videos on YouTube and stuff like that. It's real hard for most kids to figure this stuff out, you know, if they're young. So I'm just going to quickly show you how you get up a YouTube account. First off, you have to have a Gmail account. And you may not want to use your existing one, so you could just create another account. I think it's kind of unlimited how many accounts you can create in Gmail. But anyway, I'm on the right here. You can see www.google.com/Gmail. I'm not signed in to any of my current Gmail accounts, so it's asking me to sign in or create an account. I'm going to click create an account. So you just enter all the information here. I'm going to go ahead and just actually create one here, so bear with me just a minute. Sometimes the username you want may be taken, so you can add numbers to the end of it or whatever you want to do. Anyway, I'll leave that up to you. Last I checked, I am a male. I'm not going to put my mobile phone number in there. I don't believe it's a necessity. And they're going to ask you for a current email address. I'll put in one of my email addresses. Oops, I misspelled it. Sorry. Always double check when you do things like this. Always look at my email. Like, it's going to ask you for your location. Just put wherever you are. There's going to be privacy and terms policy, so if you might want to read through that if it's your first time. I'm going to just click I agree because I've done this so many times. Okay, now that I have this set up, it's going to say continue to Gmail. See, that was pretty quick. Your new email address. I have my new email address. Welcome to Gmail. There we go. So anyway, there's going to be, you know, a lot of stuff that'll show you how to use Gmail and this and that. So if, maybe you could go through your kids with it or look at it yourself if you're not too familiar with this. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and close this out. Let's get back to business here. Okay, so now that we have a new Gmail account, I'm going to show you how to create the new YouTube account. Going to youtube.com. It's asking me to sign in. I'm going to click sign in. Oops, wait, sorry. Okay, this icon up here should be the, yep, there it is. That's my new account. Okay. So really what you do is you just sign in to YouTube with your new Gmail account and you pretty much have a channel. Okay. It's really that simple. I'm going to click on my channel here. And it's going to show, it's going to ask me, there's going to be some basic setup stuff for it. Use YouTube as, I'm going to just say, we'll say what I have here on the, what my username is. By clicking the create channel, you agree to the terms of service. I'm going to create channel. Okay, so there we have it. It's that easy, literally, to set up a YouTube channel. Now, there's all sorts of stuff I could show you here, but I just wanted to make a short video showing you how to open a new YouTube account. And if you liked the video or if it was helpful, please subscribe. I am making a new YouTube page for myself. I have some other channels, but just subscribe and hit a like, and I would really appreciate it. Anyway, thank you for watching the video, and we'll see you next time.